So I'm sure you remember Rishi Sunak very proud of his Windsor framework deal with the European Union, though I thought it was very telling at the time that although very few Conservative MPs actually voted against it, you did have both previous Prime Ministers, Boris Johnson and Liz Truss, vote against it, alongside the likes of Jacob Rees-Mogg, Sir Bill Cash and Ian Duncan Smith. Johnson actually said at the time that the proposed arrangements would mean either that Northern Ireland remained captured by the EU legal order and was increasingly divergent from the rest of the UK, or they would mean that the whole of the UK was unable properly to diverge and take advantage of Brexit. Well, what you've now seen today is this: the Illegal Migration Act powers to detain and remove people to Rwanda disapplied in Northern Ireland by the Belfast High Court thanks to the Windsor framework. So the High Court in Belfast ruling that the provisions of the UK government's Illegal Migration Act incompatible with the Northern Ireland Protocol and Windsor framework, and that certain provisions of the Act incompatible with the European Convention. So effectively, a court ruling that UK immigration law can't apply in Northern Ireland because of the Windsor framework, effectively stopping the Rwanda scheme from operating in Northern Ireland. Despite assurances from the government, you've got DUP MP Sammy Wilson there saying that the court judgment would test commitments made by the government, and that it's become clearer the UK government's hands are tied by sovereignty it's handed over to Brussels on various areas. Now, reacting to this today, the TUV leader there, Jim Allister, pointing out subservience to EU law here, describing it as a humiliation and savaging of UK sovereignty. A Reform leader, Richard Tice, also weighing in on this today. But a big development today following that Windsor framework deal done by Rishi Sunak. Let me know what you make of all of that in the comments below, guys. I will, of course, keep bringing you all the latest on this and more. So please do whack this video a quick thumbs up. And, of course, as ever, cheers for watching.